Well, I woke up this morning and I made a resolution. I said, I'm never going to sing another sad song again. I decided I'd admit it, I am not an intellectual. Though the words, they never come easy unless I'm singing them. And the hills that I was born in will never leave me, no matter how hard I try. And then my brother was murdered while my father was in prison. And the girl that I sometimes loved up and moved away. And my body filled up with blackness, and the darkness had wanted to drown me. And I heard my father's footsteps catching up to me. And he took me by the shoulders and he said, son, my hands are strong, but I hope you have the strength to shake us free. Shake us free, boy. Shake us free, my son. You better shake us free. And now I'm lying in a van in Chicago in the springtime. And the rain outside that's falling sounds just like popcorn. But before I open my eyes, I think I'll make this resolution. No, I'm never gonna sing another sad song for as long as I live. And the light coming through the windows is making everything glow. And he took me by the shoulders and he said, son, my hands are strong, but I hope you have the strength to shake us free. Shake us free. Shake us free. Shake us free, my son. I made a resolution. I made a resolution. I made a resolution. I made a resolution.
Nou tyd om af te kom. Dit is nou nog een. Nee, ons is nou klaar, ja, laat.
Want dan is die Cape Townian, so as ons net gou 'n plannetjie aan mekaar sit vir die water, soos 'n emmer vol maak. En dan seker so 2, as ons so 3 liter kan saambring. Die probleem is net die maatband.
Ek weet ook nie waartoe hy gery het nie.
Ons moet nog die derde keer gaan na toe.
Original Flash Gordon. Maar Flash sit daar in die passasier seat. Flash, wat is jou kommentaar oor die feit dat jy nou net 'n challenge gewen het?
Ag ek is heel gelukkig, dankie.
Is jy gelukkig?
Ja.
Okay, lekker boys. Is altyd goed om gelukkig te wees.
Ja,
Voel jou hart nog so rein na al die frustrasie uitbarstings wat jy al gehad het vandag?
weet jy wat, hy is rein, want ek is nou gelukkig in my hart,
Okay, cool.
hier op die pan,
Lekker.
maar bietjie teleurgesteld, want ek weet ek kan beter doen.
Okay.
Maar môre is nog 'n dag, ek gaan my beste gee, ek gaan alles gee, en dan gaan julle kou gee.
Ines?
Wenners klaar nooit nie.
Nee, maar
Stasie 2, Klipdrifters Pos. Say hello to my little friend.
Lek. Julle gaan my nie breek nie, ek is sterk. Ek is meer geïnteresseerd in hoe die fok julle dit reg kry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Ons is 11. Het julle 'n toukie vas? Waar is pa se hande? Dis jy. Maar ek nie beloof ek gaan punte aftrek nie. Jy het daai punte nodig.
Hy wou net verwys.
Okay. Take this shit. Take it.